Boy, if you don't get...
In today's video, I will be showing you guys my hair steaming routine. Starting off with freshly cut aloe vera from my garden, I am prepping the aloe vera by washing its skin and removing the pointy edges. In doing so, this will make it easier for me to scrape the gel into my container for my hair steaming mixture. Next, I cut the aloe vera in half, then I slice it right down the middle and gently scrape downwards in my container. You want to be gentle, guys, because we actually want the liquid form of the gel from the plant and not the lumps. After extracting the gel from our aloe vera plant, I usually add 1 egg and some olive oil, then start mixing. Please bear in mind, some people use only the egg white, some people use only the egg yolk. But for me personally, I rather use the whole thing. It is definitely up to you. What you see me doing here is mixing the ingredients until everything is fully combined to start the application process.
Boy, if you don't get...
Guys, as you can see, I have really bad hair, but nevertheless bro, this aloe vera got me, I hope. The night before, I actually took some braids out. Right now, I am combing my hair out to start the application process. In no specific order or way, I'm just going to apply the mixture all over my hair, simply because I know that it doesn't matter how you apply it to your hair. Once that steam cap gets on there, everything just starts soaking everywhere. So yeah. After applying all the mixture to my hair, I am going to put my steam cap on and leave it on there for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. And like I said before, guys, the steam cap definitely get the mixture soaking everywhere, as you can see. So what I'm about to do now is get in the shower to wash my hair. After washing the aloe vera mixture from my hair with only water, I usually shampoo my hair 3 times, then I condition my hair 2 times. I literally just realized that my exfoliating bath glove was very much visible, but if you're wondering where I got that from, I got it from a local online Instagram store. I will put the name of the store and the link to the store's Instagram page in my description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so after shampooing 3 times and conditioning 1 time, this is the last conditioning that I'm going to do. I'm applying condition all over my hair. Then I'm going to start combing my hair out section by section. After combing my hair through, I usually just take a shower, then rinse the condition from my hair last. Also, I don't like putting heat to my hair, so after rinsing it out, I just left it to air dry. The following day, I actually bleached and colored my hair, guys, and I do have those videos for you, so be sure to stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave positive comments. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.